This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming battery and disconnecting Bluetooth. This prevents automatic reconnects during reset. Power off the AirPods Max. Press and hold the noise control button and digital crown together until the indicator turns amber, then white. Once done, let them sit for 10 seconds on a flat surface. This stabilizes firmware before the hard reset. Make sure you've removed any straps or obstructions, because physical pressure can affect button presses. You're ready to proceed to the deeper reset step. You'll perform the core hard reset now. Press and keep holding the digital crown and noise control buttons simultaneously. Count to 15. This combination forces the system to erase temporary settings and restart the Bluetooth module. Watch the LED closely. You'll see amber then white. Release only when it's solid white. Once released, give the headphones 5-10 seconds to initialize firmware. Make sure your iPhone is nearby with Bluetooth enabled, because you will verify pairing immediately after this reset completes. You finish by repairing. Bring AirPods Max close to your iPhone, open Bluetooth settings, and follow the on-screen prompt to connect. This verifies the reset worked. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is on, then toggle it off and on. If still stuck, reset network settings on your iPhone and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if the LED never shows white or buttons remain unresponsive after repeated attempts, the issue may be hardware. Contact Apple support for service or repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.